Ka kenhun Franciscan haringkat ke dorbar shnong Umling, haka ar tarik nailur ar hajar ar paulai, kalau Pynlong ke lempung ai jing hikai, bat banyathir Halor kapang, substance abuse, kani ke jing kta jong ki jing di pen buat, la Pynlong kani ke lempung haying dorbar jong ke shnong Umling. Ha kani ke lempung lawan shimbenta do Father Brian, Father Wilson, ki badai ki Franciscan na Guwahati, ki nong hikai bat ki kena school jong ke school Umling, LP bat UP school, haringkat ki pat ba nong shnong jong ka shnong Umling. Kabakham sngau tenat syu kumba kane ke lempung kalong balayo ban penduai na kabenta weu samla ubala ngop haki jingdi pen buat da ka bapendan kam da drugs bat ubalawan ban kala ka bamot na ka jingkerni di drugs sya ka jinglong jingman ka babha na ka benta ka imlang ka salang. Habakren ha kani ke lempung ki nongkren ki kren shibun ki mat ki bayahap bat kani ke jingkerni haki jingdi pen buat bat ka kamram jong ki borshnong ki kimi ki kpa ki kena school bat ki nong hikai namar banrat dingkhong ya kani ke jing sniu deitang ke jing atreilang om da marwei ne arngut.
I am from the Franciscan order belonging to Guwahati, and we have come here to have an awareness program among the youth of Umling dealing with mainly de-addiction and how to stop the addictions which are there, especially among the youth members. We believe that here in Umling there are lots of addictions, especially drug addiction here in Umling, and with our presence and with the help of John, who is a resource person today, we believe that the people of Umling will realize that how drug addiction can spoil a person's health, can spoil a person's life, can spoil a person's family life. We, through this intercessory program and through this program, we believe that, and we are hoping and praying that the people of Umling, especially the youth of Umling, may realize how they spoil their lives to drug addiction, and we pray that the youth have a bright future for themselves, and they realize that there is more to life than drugs, especially here in Umling and in the state of Meghalaya.
Mutasi ga artarik jung September arja pula yang atun hani po Umling namtani ga awareness program wapan ya ga Saint Franciscan na Guwahati collaboration buat ka Dorbational Umling te kumbas kita setengah yang punya ini program buat ni ayu boleh ba kalau sukses mutasi ba kantong way lagi ba budi ulawan kelawan itu padula trial dia itu te angai baga nanis kemar tu nya baik te grunjo ya yo ji aji kai kantong ni pa kena samla ni dan kena skor tu grunjo te angai kalau nggak successful program te ni up nanis kemar ni so i war boka nomba dia snongi. Tegak wajib itu ini kampung itu balangan hadir ke bang brok sekiat subha kontak ini pak Wisdom Center dikunjung kita kontak yang pasang ni mana iba itu ahli pasang itu kami siapa subha kontak terus marwai gimana itu kami jadi orang baru ni itu ngaruh kalau Islam tak terus ni apa Wisdom Center itu nilai yo pun ni mau idea ini Taiwan penyarap ikhna Tangita hi ni habis tristom moro ni trilang man mora jing ha jing aja imam salan